If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Alpaca, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card or account details are entered correctly and that there are no restrictions on the account. Step 2. Review account status. Log into your Alpaca account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. Ensure your account is in good standing and that there are no pending issues that could affect transactions. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes browser issues can interfere with payment processing. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try making the payment again. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily. These services can sometimes cause issues with payment processing. Try completing the payment without these services enabled. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issuer.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on Alpaca quickly. If problems continue, customer support will be your best resource for a solution.